go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host, Mark, and on the docket today we have an unboxing. Not so much of an unboxing, it's already unboxed. And a first impression on Afrodite 2020 by Tiziana Terenzi. This is of course, a returned product from Fragflex. There's a 2018 launch date, and I was looking at the date and I was like, huh, okay. So this may be like an annual batch thing going on. They're gonna take advantage of batch codes with things and put dates on different bottles. So I'm not too sure about reformulations every so often, but that's kind of my guess. Like they made a slight change here. So we're gonna see. I got the 2020 version here, which is still on the Terenzi site, but Fragrantica has the 2021 bottle in the picture. And I believe the note breakdown as well. We always use the Fragrantica note breakdown, even though it is probably the least legit note breakdown in the game. It's just, they have all the note breakdowns. It looks the same in the video. So if you have to, the best place to go see note breakdowns is the sites if they have them. Now, before we get into anything, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, smash it real good. Much appreciated to my returnees. Absolutely love you. Welcome back. Support immense. Love you all. There's a few hundreds of you checking out these Fragflex hauls, up to 1,000, 2,000. Love you all. I don't know what the other 50,000 are doing, dead or asleep. It's not funny. Let's look at the pricing on this one. This one retails off the Terenzi shop. It was 437 USD. for 100 mil. So what I'm grabbing here is like 500 bucks Canadian or $180 USD on Fragflex. So it's kind of half price. It's kind of, no, it's not kind of, it's more than half price on Fragflex. Good on them. Let's take a look at the note breakdown of Aphrodite. I don't know, this is a 2021 note breakdown. It is fairly large, so I'm not going to start naming off notes. I'm seeing a lot of florals. Mostly florals. So I'm assuming this is going to be a floral scent. We'll see. Terenzi is not one of my favorite brands. They got like the gold on the top here. Yeah, not a brand that I'm in love with. Even though they're, a family brand. Like I appreciate that. I love that. But that doesn't stop me from doing what I do, right? This is Lilacs. No, it's in the top notes. Okay. I'm on to something. It's lilac centric. It's got a waxy floral kind of backing to it. Already off the strip, not even in the same room of 400 USD. Not even in the same house of 400 US. Not even on the same block. Not even in the same, you know what I mean. Wow. That is a lot of money for this. I smelt a great lilac-based fragrance, and that's where your reviewer comes in and is an all-star for you, is when you're looking at this and you're going to pull the trigger and you're watching the reviewer goes, by the way, this ain't worth $400 USD, just letting you know. Go try out Frederic Mall's En Passant, which I tested out earlier this year. That is the golden standard of a lilac-based fragrance. This can't even hold En Passant's jockstrap. Thank me later. I'm sorry, but I'm not. I'm not. En Passant is a freaking gorgeous release. I would pay 400 USD for En Passant. This? Meh. Okay. So lilac heavy, not the greatest in the game, not even close. It's okay. A little peachy. There's peach in here. Yep. It's got some powdery touches, some waxy floral thing in the background, and some vanillic touches. Lots of white florals back in this thing. You got neroli. You got tuberose in this thing. Keep going, right? Lily of the Valley. But they're very tame. They're in the back there. It shows a little bit of that green stem action. Lily of the Valley will do that. Even tuberose will do that. It's got a little bit of that to kind of give it some vividness, but no, you're off the mark. You're off the mark, bro. En Passant's got you. It's got your lunch money. Frederick Mall killed you. This ain't even close. Yeah. Okay. So at the end of the day, I hate to do it, but I love to do it. Why? Because I love being honest. I love bringing out my opinion. I love the liberty of having a channel and not being, handcuffed by brands, right? I've heard fragrance reviewers say, "Oh, well, they blackballed me, and there goes my free bottles. There goes some of my income." Oh, I don't have any. I can say whatever I want. They can send me cease and desist. Go straight to the lawyer. Have fun with that, boys. Yeah, Aphrodite 2020, Tiziana Terenzi asking 400 USD. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Even on Fragflex. All right, I got this at Fragflex. You think, oh, I'm handcuffed by them? Nope, wrong again, sucker. 180 USD? No, not even close. Right? No, but I would recommend go check out En Passant by Frederick Mall. See how much that one is on Fragflex. Probably around 200-ish. With my code, you're happy. That's a great, like, pedestal great lilac-based fragrance. This, you tried, and you're getting a participation ribbon. You're not even top 3. Well, I think kids these days get top 5, or maybe everybody gets participation ribbons now, but and then the rest get ribbons. I remember back then, if you didn't hit top 5 in a lot of things, or top 3, or even not number 1, you wouldn't get anything. Too bad. Learn your lesson. Work hard. Get better. Or just quit. All right. That's enough. So yeah, you can get this at fragflex.com, and you can use my code TFG10. You get 10% off site-wide, so you don't have to purchase this. That code, it has no expiry date, so have fun with it. You can use it as much as you want. Tiziana Terenzi, another one. It just ain't what it is. I can't. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. Good, bad, and the ugly, right? You can disagree with me. Don't take shots at my nose and my experience and all that. Don't do that. That's not fun, right? But if you love it, tell us why. But I'd like you to try En Passant. If you really like this, by Frederick Mall, a great, artistically awesome. Now, it might not be your taste, right? There's other notes than lilac in it, but it's great, super great. So anyway, I'd love to see those comments. And as always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.